Welcome to in front of me Oukitel OKT1, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's just check our current wallpaper. So we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen. Now just to change it, just launch the settings application and then scroll down to the display section. After that, just tap here to wallpaper, and now we can select the new wallpaper from our device photos or from our own device default wallpapers. For example, let's just use this one. Here we can see the look on the our device screen. Here click to OK, and we want to change the lock screen, so click here. We have the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and now let's just see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just hold for a while one from your device home screens, and after that click here to wallpaper section. Here select one from the folders, for example this wallpaper. I just use it once. Here you will see again our device photo. We can use them, for example, previously taken on our device camera, or I have no, unfortunately, here any just photos. That's why I'll use the default wallpapers. So let's just use this one, for example. Click here to OK and select lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.